We see red panda skin. The video ends. I also don't think people use the red panda anymore. Raider boy. Why? I hope my teammates don't use the red panda. Why are you? When we shot me through a wall. Re. If you guys notice, I have improved from the last Arsenal video. I was like stuck on the Seiko, but now I'm improved. I'm getting a lot of headshots. Oh, come on, not the Seiko! I really hate Seiko. Seiko, why? Why you gotta torture me, Seiko? Why? Ugh, yes! No. I need to win without the red panda. Hacker! Look, he's a hacker! He's using the Dragunov. Okay. Infinite jump or something? Oh, why? Why, Fat Paps? When. It's win-win, and Alkidianas or something? They approve or hacking I think. Cause Win shot me for a wall. And Alki already proved it because he already like hack or something because I don't know, it's like that. Are you kidding me? The Moses Nugget. Nugget? Are you kidding me? No. Why is this thing still in the game? Why is this sniper still in the game? Yeah. See, he's totally using hacks. No, Fat Peps, why you gotta do this to me? I can't let. By the way, it's also competitive, so I can't let the first place guy get this. What? 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 Are you kidding me? Are you seriously kidding me? I didn't even win, bro. Let's get my lockers. Which skin? Which skin? Wait. Goodbye. Why did I look at my lockers?